Puipui on Niue.
Whakalofatu Marco, welcome back. We're with the other bird here for Puipui on Niue celebration. Oh, what's it? Looking for Jocelyn? I didn't recognize you.
Siakikia. So.
Whakalofatu.
Yeah.
This is Joss. Yeah. My brother.
Oh hey. So are you? Is this your?
Just one.
Hey.
Yeah. Lafiaki. Yeah.
Okay. So you're on table 9.
Table 9.
Yeah. Table 9.
Okay.
Here back here.
Oh yeah.
So when you we'll have to hala mo ko hito.
Yeah.
From the morning. We'll have to say Hayden. We'll get the Hayden.
Oh, go Exco. Okay. Fuck away. Okay. This is the what's the crew here?
What's the crew here?
Observation crew, eh? Observation crew. We'll go with the tour some more convoys is held people up. Hey, my brother Mone. He's the TikTok expert. But yeah, so we're just waiting for people to come.
Ourselves, Poland, Tonga, and which comes to Vita Fuanaki, told us where to join me, and if you all please stand and join in our limb, Takito and Osi. Amen.
Amen.
The phenomenal way, the Mascaria, the Pano, Akamoa, the Mani, the Kapalata, the two. When they are our lives, Kalopalahi. Go here 2.5 years of Dorua. Go here, Yapi. Yanimo, look to the love. The boy out the hand, I'm a hard torsi. The Pano, I play Puipui, play Missy, the Mike, 2 quarters behind the hand. Mga ako ni Mauay, pagkarinig ko ang tokulong ngayon. When you weigh, ituruak ni Maua.
Here with us today. To our representative of the Niue government, MJ, Michael Jackson, and people like Mali, and Hayden, Jocelyn, and all the Niue community leaders that are here with us today.
Phải mâu tụ mâu phong tụ mâu tụ bộ tập long tụ mâu bộ này đâu xí ở tuần phố kỳ thì tụ nô xí Niue lòng mà thấy mới tụ tự ta Niue Mali and others have done for Niue. The same with the Kokam community, the Tongan community. Had we not had the community leaders not stepped up and
Kai hahilan kawe ke mga hunay kwa amamana ke matol itaw mafahai ke itaw nakay nay kwa taw siyusay itaw matakay na ngay kay nanay.
Here's MC. Hey, how come
Man, we are just about to be spoiled with all of this food.
Oh, the beautiful Miss Lolo Kinney.
Yeah, man.
Yes, kalau player tu.
No, Alan side me.
You know, for my.
No, we had to detour routes around the Chaucer Moa, so you know, good on them. We support them as Pacific Brothers. All the best tonight at the League World Cup final. And we're Niue is cheering for you, so all the best.
Oh, you've really put on a spread, bro.
This is this tonight's event is to celebrate our Niue workforce and all the hard work that our nurses, doctors, community leaders all came together to respond to COVID-19. And you know, we put a lot of work out there, so it's nice. Yeah.
I got 4 cartons of raw fish. Look at it, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Huh? Oh, good. All good. All went perfect the way I felt. Yeah. You had it right.
Oh, and I went around and you know, you always got to show what's happening.
Buffet.
That's enough.
Oh yeah, cool, eh? Fucking cool.
Okay. Okay, so we had approximately 3,750 entries. Really, 375 entries. That's just a short call. I wasn't very good at maths at school, so when somebody tells me it's 375, I turn it into thousands. We will ring them first. We won't tell you who it is. We will ring.
Puipui and Niue.
You have a family member here, and the winner of the trip to Niue is Johnston Otalo Makatuki. So you just won the trip to Niue to the value of $1,500. Congratulations! Thank you for taking part in our draw. We will. You've got over 3,000 people listening to you in this room. Here comes Niue. Niue's here to collect your prize for you. So she's here. So Niue's here. Thank you. Yeah. Congratulations. You won a trip to Niue. Thank you.
All of us are in this room. We all contribute to the success of the Waka Niue, Puipui anyway. These are the organizations that support us from the first vaccination right through to the last one we had. Holy Trinity Church, Otahu. Niue community today. Pacific Media Works, PMA. Pacific Beaches, Melanie, Itipa Misikea, Leproid Tawabihi, Libi Polisea.
I want to thank her dear husband, Stephen, over here. you don't have a similar partner behind you, then our plans don't go to what we need to do. So Stevene, whakaue, for loving our Mali and letting her do what she needs to do to support us. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for making her cup of teas as best as you can, even if it's 4 o'clock in the morning, because I get this text. I'm thinking she's already awake. But whakaue lahi kia koe ke tau lewe ki anga koe e matu whine ha mautoro osi. Ha ko hoko mai a mautoro ke aho ne, because she's paved the way for us, Stephen. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And on behalf of everyone here, Mali, we love you. Whakaue lahi mahaki. God bless.
Do something. Yeah. When I feel good. Yeah. So must be good, eh? Must be good. Hey.